You came for truth, but truth doesn't arrive. It accumulates, layer by layer, like dust on forgotten book. Today I won't give you answers. I'll give you architecture. In a city of marble and mirrors, a family of merchants became makers of kings. They found a beauty to mass control. They paid for genius, not to free minds, but to shape them. The artist dissected the divine. The strategist whispered, power need not to be good, only effective. The age they called a rebirth was a redesign. In the silence between empires, the blueprint remained, not carved in stone, but etched in minds. The hand that gives the crown is more powerful than the head that wears it. Five brothers, 5 cities, 1 network. They didn't choose sides, they financed both. Empires rose and fell, but the ledgers endured. With every bond sold, the invisible web grew tighter. Not a conspiracy, a convergence. A century ago, the system trembled, panic spread. One man didn't flinch. He studied the word, not with armies, but with capital. He didn't build the empire, he bought it. And from that moment, money became law. The oil barons refined more than fuel. They refined thought. Education became obedience. Medicine became monopoly. The classroom wasn't for learning, it was for alignment. They didn't cure disease, they standardized it.
I don't want a nation of thinkers. I want a nation of workers.
A diplomat once redrew the word, not with ink, but with silence. He didn't fight wars, he rearranged them. The map bent, but not to borders, but to his own interests. But the story doesn't end here. In a mountain hall, kings without crowns gathered. They spoke of fusion, biological, digital, ideological, but behind the matrix was a blueprint. One that doesn't ask, it assigns. These were not isolated events, not accidents. Each era handed the blueprint to the next. The pattern funded the artist, the financer bought the silence. The educator shaped the mind, the strategist redrew the map, the designer coded the future. Different faces, same architecture. What you see as history was a relay, and the pattern was never dropped. Was all this intentional? Maybe, maybe not. Systems don't always need a designer. Sometimes, they just need momentum. One idea becomes a rule. One rule becomes a culture. One culture becomes a cage. And by the time you notice the pattern, you're already a part of it.
But whom are you saying the story to?
This story is about the system doesn't hide. It never had to. It's just ignored.